Hey traders, no live trades today. I've already taken the trades I'm going to take for next week this morning, but I'll talk you through the ones that I took. But it's been a great week trading. If you guys have been following my trades since I first started sending out the email last Friday, it's 100% winners for this week. And if you took all the trades, you should have averaged about $500 a contract between all the positions. So yeah, it's been a great week. I closed all my positions out after the market opened, after it was open for a couple hours. And so you can see if we go to my order screen at the bottom, starting up, you can see I closed out Uber. That was the earnings play, and I was able to close it out for a penny. And then I closed out my Starbucks trade. That's one that I had been rolling from last week. And I was able to close it out for 10 cents. Then Micron Technologies was another one that I had to roll from last week. I closed it out for 8 cents. And then Chewy was one that I put on earlier this week, and I was able to close it out for 5 cents. And then above that, you can see the new trades that I put on. And you can see they're pretty much the same ones that I closed out this morning. So you may wonder, why didn't I just roll those? Why close them out and then reopen them again if I knew that I was going to go ahead and possibly get in those trades? And really, I like to go ahead and close out my trades that are winners just so I can, for one, kind of capture what that profit is. And then two, I like to just take the time to reevaluate what I want to do. Even though if I'm pretty confident I'm going to stick with the same stocks, I don't want to just, roll them without taking the time to reanalyze the company, make sure what strike price I want to pick, look at what the margin requirement is, things of that nature. And it's kind of hard for me to really do if I'm trying to do this as a roll. So I just go ahead and close those out, and then I will start looking at them again, and then more than likely put those trades on, those same stocks on again, if they still meet my criteria. Now, obviously, if the stock was in the money, then I would go ahead and roll it, because I don't need to do that level of analysis, because I know I'm going to roll it to the next week anyway, just to stick with the stock. But this is more so for the ones that I was able to close out for a profit. Then I will look at reevaluating them again before I put those trades on. So you can see I decided to get back into Chewy. I sold the 38 strike put for 56 cents. I got back into MU. I sold the 46 strike for 51 cents. I got back into Uber. I sold the 30 strike for 32 cents. And then I also got into Twitter and Etsy. Twitter, I sold the 28.50 strike for 39 cents. And then Etsy, I got 5 contracts at 55 cents and then 3 contracts at 50 cents for the 73 strike. So those were the new trades I put on. I sent all that out in the email earlier, giving you a little more detail around this and my decision making for these trades. If you're not on my email list, you can shoot me a message at mark@premiumtrader.com. I'll also have it in the comment section. Aside from those trades, I still have my AMC trade. I mentioned it in the previous video where I had to roll that out for a couple weeks. But if you put on the trade Friday, I recommended the 4 strike price, because I had actually gotten in before then at a higher price. So if you did put on the trade for AMC, you should be able to close it today for a profit, as well as the other trades that we had. If you have any questions, let me know.